Sean here from the amazing island of Phuket in Thailand. Today, I'm going to give you the room tour at Peranakan House. Let's go! I took a leap and embarked on full-time travel in 2022 with nothing but a couple of drones and cameras. I share my adventures as I travel across Southeast Asia. Venturing into the unknown has been both exhilarating and rewarding. To me, Southeast Asia is a goldmine of experiences, rich in culture, amazing people, delicious food, and unforgettable adventures. And it's this very essence that I share with you. So pack your curiosity, buckle up, and subscribe to join me on my wild adventures through the amazing cities, unbelievable landscapes, and hidden gems of Southeast Asia. Here we are at Peranakan House. Let me give you the room tour. So we've got a pretty decent sized double bed. We've got a couch area. So they do give you water as well. Decent sized sharp TV. Air conditioning and TV remote. And we've got the air conditioner up there. So there is a desk space here as well. Got desk and chair, which is great for getting some work done. Next to the TV, which means you can also use USB cable to plug in to the TV, watch your Netflix, YouTube. So here we've got a combined wardrobe and small kitchenette. So you've got your safe, coffee and tea making, small bar fridge, and then you've got your clothes rack and cupboard space with some drawers up there, but they're quite out of reach, so not sure what good they're for. And over here you've got a full-length mirror. Let's check out the bathroom. So we've got shower area. So we have a toilet here. And here's the basin area as well. So as you can see, the place is really clean, nice and tidy, which is always good. And they do provide daily cleaning, which is always a plus. They'll replace the towels and floor mats for you as well, and they can top up anything that you're ran out of. So if it's shampoo, shower gel, toilet paper, tissues. So one thing that's really nice about this place, it is very clean, and you've got some nice artwork as well on the side there, plus this creative wall over here as well. It's a nice touch, definitely gives the room a bit more of a holiday feel. Pretty cozy space, but really nice decor, very clean. So all in all, the room's pretty good. There is a rooftop area where there's a gym, and downstairs there's a pool and working space as well. So let's check them out. So just up here at the rooftop area, check it out. So this here is at the top floor. It used to be a restaurant, but now it's just converted into an open space that they use. You've got lights and fans that you can turn on here. They've got PowerPoint, so you can do work up here as well, which I've done a couple of times while I've been here. And just up here as well, there's the gym. Let's check it out. So the gym here is pretty much for cardio only. So you've got a rowing machine and a treadmill and a bike. They've got these weights, but they're actually pretty light. So you're not going to get much done up here in this gym other than just your cardio, which is okay. Could use a bit more in the gym, but it's not a full gym. It's just really kind of a workout area. So let's check out the pool area. So down here we have the pool. It's pretty nice. Pretty clean down here. We've got this small kiddies pool area. So you got a kids playroom in there for the kids to play around with, which is pretty cool. You can sit by the pool and keep an eye on the kids. Got showers just here and bathroom as well, just in there. And then you've got a working area as well, co-working space. So this here is the co-working space. So you've got PowerPoints in that corner and up there. So if you are in Phuket and you're looking for a place to stay, I do recommend checking out Peranakan House. It's actually very clean, quite nice. You've seen the amenities. The only downside is the gym, but if that doesn't bother you, it's a good place, great location. So nearby you've got Phuket Central as well, which is a major shopping centre. You've got cinema, food courts, everything there. And you're not too far from Old Town or going to the main beaches like Patong, Kamala Beach, not too far away as well. Coming up as well, we've got the Similan Island tour. There's also travel tips and hacks that I've got coming up. So videos on all of those. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe button. If you have subscribed already, thank you. It does mean a lot to us. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.